Pretty cool, isn't it? Spin and counter spin. Space propeller. So I'm turning off those three-phase coils. You can see the magnet going clockwise. And we'll slow down the other coils. And you can see the other one's going anti-clockwise. Now we come to the conclusion. The most compact and elegant way to build this device is to place 3 large wire coils down here as a tight triangle, and they're wired UVW with 3-phase power, so the field will just go clockwise. They're sitting on a stainless steel rod, 8 millimeters in diameter, 150 millimeters high, on a little plate. And above them slightly, you can see there they are. Above them slightly, we put 6 other wire coils, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they're also 3-phase power, but they're wired twice as UVW. So the center is just UVW, the outside is UVW, and both fields go clockwise. Next, when we add a permanent magnet along the stainless steel rod of diameter 70 millimeters with a 14 millimeter hole in the middle, and turn on 3-phase power just to those wire coils down there, you can see the magnet will begin to spin clockwise. It will also rise up. And the reason it rises up and pushes upward is because that's like a gyroscope that's spinning against the invisible force of the vacuum. Next, we're going to place a stainless steel tube around that magnet, so it will still rise up, at least surrounded by a stainless steel tube on all sides. The diameter of the stainless steel tube is 89 millimeters as an outer diameter. We have also placed some little Teflon rings at the base of this stainless steel tube, which will allow a flywheel placed above here to spin more easily with only a moderate amount of friction. As the next step, we'll place a plastic magnetic flywheel on the outside of that 89 millimeter stainless steel tube, sitting on the Teflon, and it will have 8 magnets, 30 millimeters each, arranged as NS, 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 NS. And we turn on power to these 6-phase wire coils at low speed. You see it has a bit of friction, but it will start spinning anti-clockwise when we reach about 10 hertz. Now notice, the flywheel is going anti-clockwise and the magnet inside is going clockwise. Now we're going to turn on those 3-phase coils below, which also spin clockwise. These are up to spin a little bit. We go slightly higher power. And the magnet again rises up. Pretty cool, isn't it? Spin and counter spin. Space propeller. So I'm turning off those 3-phase coils. You can see the magnet going clockwise. And we'll slow down the other coils. And you can see the other one's going anti-clockwise. Now, how did I figure out how to build this remarkable and detailed device? I didn't make it up, I was just following instructions. This crop picture here, for example, shows 6 wire coils, going back and forth 6 places around, which match the 6 wire coils of our basic device. Inside, there's a little round magnet, and that's that magnet we have in there. And when we put power on, it spins clockwise, and that's what these 6 wire coils do. And there are 2 rings. If you study it carefully, one goes clockwise, the other goes anti-clockwise. Here's a summary. 6 coils going clockwise. Inside the 2 rings, one goes anti-clockwise, the other goes clockwise. And that's just what we saw in this video. The central magnet goes clockwise, the flywheel outside goes anti-clockwise. Furthermore, these are all just top views of the device. They also drew a side view, which is shown here, and it shows a rotating magnetic field, this wavy thing, which indicates these 6 AC wire coils. Inside they have a little pole, which is the pole we have there, with a ball on the top of it. And there's the ball. And there's a magnet which rises up to the top of the ball, and that's that magnet inside there. So by following instructions, I've built exactly what they told me, and it should work as a UFO drive once optimized. Now, despite all of the work we've put in, this device is clearly not optimized, because around the stainless steel tube, we've put these Teflon rings, and the flywheel still creates a lot of friction with those rings when it tries to spin. So what I've done is, I've ordered an expensive ceramic bearing from China, 90 millimeters inside. You can see these look like ball bearings in this crop picture, made of sodium nitride, and it should allow those flywheel magnets to spin very freely instead of having those Teflon rings. And then we'll see a magnet come up, go through the center of the bearing and rise up, which is exactly what we see here. The magnets below the bearing go through the center of the bearing and then rise up. So hopefully that technological solution will quickly solve this remaining problem. Just as an aside, I'll mention two other subjects because a lot of people are asking. This famous crop picture from Barbary Castle in 1991 showed our device very precisely. We have three-phase power 1, 2, 3, which are like the three wire coils at the base. It starts off by spinning very widely this huge flywheel, which is just this thing. And then in the center, this magnet rises up very narrowly in the other direction, which is just our magnet down there. And this anti-spin device also resembles what's called the carrot anti-gravity device studied at Stanford in the 1980s. I don't think they ever solved it. Supposedly alien tech, and you can see two rings, one spinning one way, one spinning the other, with a pole going up. And that's what we have, a pole in the middle going up, one ring spinning one way, the other ring spinning the other way. So that's supposed to be a portable anti-gravity device. Can we make it? We will see. Best wishes to all to the stars.